What is up, beautiful people? Welcome once again to Clothing. Welcome to another wonderful video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you another method to making and creating a very perfectly fitted corset bodice. Okay, so if this is something you're going to be interested in, please to keep on watching. For this particular video, you need your mannequin and you need a masking tape. So I'll just show you um basically what you need to do, and then you move on from there. Okay, all right, so you are required to use a 2 inches wide paper tape. That's what I have here, and I'll basically just coat my dress form with this paper tape. Now the corset we're going to be making will actually now be in the dress form measurement. Okay, so I have already padded the bust area, and then the waist area will just give you the snatch. So I'll start cutting every single thing up. This is the center front line. It's going to start from that line because it's a very symmetric pattern. What we have on the left side of the bodice will be the same on the right side of the bodice. So we'll start from the center front line, cut all the way to the center back line. We'll focus on just one half of the front, one half of the back. Once that is fully coated, we can then draw our style lines and then cut on fabric, sew it up, and see what it looks like at the end of the day. So enough rambling, let's begin.
Breaking my world, you got me thinking, what does she have that I don't have? What does she have, babe? Why you want her so different? Now it doesn't do that. You have to put me through that. And now I'm crying all alone. You ain't picking up your phone. Sleep at night when you're doing me wrong. I'll be waiting at home for you, and then you give me that call, acting like you alone, like you with another girl, sharing my world. Not a care in the world, but you be breaking my world, you be breaking my world, Not a care in the world, You be breaking my world, Why'd you have to do that? You have to do that. You got me going through it. Why you sleep at night when you're doing me wrong? I'll be waiting at home for you, and then you give me that call, acting like you alone, like you with another girl, sharing my world. Not a care in the world, She be breaking my world, breaking my world,
Let's label the patterns. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So We can then remove this. Then we'll use this particular technique to coat the cup or work on the cup area. When you're removing, be very careful because it will unravel if you're not careful. We have six bodices and you're going to be cutting two of each of this.
You were different from the rest. Cause you didn't hide imperfections from the edge. Edge, yeah. Bet you don't even love you half as much as I want to. You're right. Yeah, I'm looking back at the past and I feel regret. Don't wanna walk on the block, say where we met. Try to forget that you went on with someone else instead. Maybe it's better if I never love, so I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust every time when my eyes get so attached.
Here's what the body should look like after you have cut the patterns out on fabric and sewn it up. So it's your regular half length bodice, and I'm going to be doing this without bones on the main fabric. So these are the bra cups. Bra cup in my size. I usually size down for my bust measurement, and I did some kind of dart intake. This will help to make the cup really pop out, like come out this way. You can see how it comes out this way to make the cup really pop out this way, right? Instead of making it look flat. So this is the trick. These darts that you just saw, just a little triangle. Now we can attach this to the opening to give it the cup effect.